Hello everyone, this is Sai from LetsUpgrade, and here I am today to just tell you all the details about why you should be a part of this program. And this is AWS cloud computing program which LetsUpgrade has recently launched up, and you all guys have registered it, and you all also have your friends also registered it. So 100%, like I just wanted to speak about this thing today and tell you guys why this program is very much important and how this can be like helpful for every one of you. So yes, now let us go ahead and see what this program all about. This is a 10 hours program and a weekend only classes, but it is starting on Friday 5 p.m. in the evening. This Friday 5 p.m. in the evening, which is 14th of August, but going forward it's going to be a weekend oriented program. And yes, it's an instructor led program, so you will be seeing instructor like me and Miss Vinoline ma'am who will be a part of this taking this whole class. Now at the same time, this is 0 rupees, you don't have to pay anything. It's a fully practical oriented project based learning, and you will be building 2+ projects, and you'll be also building 5. You also have to submit 5+ assignments to get examination link for giving your exam. So this is what are the other details about this. You will be learning tools of AWS and Visual Studio Code as and when required for deploying a few coding parts. A few codes there, and at the same time you will be like, let us go to the this is how the certificate will look like. So this is the whole certification. Certification is AWS Technical Essentials program. So you will be getting certified in this whole thing. This is how the certificate will look like, and you will be having your unique certification number. You can verify the same thing from letsupgrade.in/verify. Okay, and now let us go ahead see that why AWS. AWS is Amazon Web Services, the #1 leading cloud vendor. Okay, cloud platform vendor, which people are, and each and every company is using something. You take for example, AWS has a market share of more than 40 to 50% somewhere around, and others have less. Just go and have a look at it. You have n number of jobs available for AWS. Just go to Naukri, just go to Monster, just go to Indeed, go to Google Jobs and just type up AWS, and you will be knowing that how many jobs are available. Now this is where like it's going to be an industry of more than $370 billion by 2022. So that's what the CAGR report mentions up. And let us now talk about the course curriculum, what you guys are going to learn in the essentials program, in this 10 hours program, and what is the extension to this program afterwards. You can see it here itself. That is, first of all, it is going to like you will start from the cloud computing. This is going to be a theory aspect of it. What is cloud, and all the course introduction you will be there. Then afterwards you have like first free access to AWS, how you can get the access to AWS. Then identity access management, IAM dashboard, how to access that. Then afterwards like AWS virtual private clouds, how you can set it up. Then Elastic Cloud Compute, that is at EC2. That's what you are gonna like spin, and you are gonna see that. AWS storage, how S3 does work, simple storage service. How does this work? You are gonna learn this thing, and literally hands-on experience. Okay, it is not anything like theory. No, you will actually put your debit card. The 2 rupees will be deducted from your bank account. You will have your own AWS account, and you will start utilizing it for free of cost. And don't worry, it will not charge you in long run. Don't worry about it. And load balancing and auto scaling. So we will be also understanding this. DNS and content delivery network. So yep. Then afterwards, monitoring audits, databases, how SQL, NoSQL, and other Redis based RDS you all can spin. Okay. So then afterwards you have AWS lambda functions there. Then afterwards you have shared responsibility model, security compliance services, and you have the billing. Okay, how to be in check with billing, how this billing actually works. So that's what you guys have to be looking forward. And at the same time, going ahead, AWS essential programs. So conclusion, and in the conclusion we will be also introducing you to the AWS advanced program. This program is fully sufficient enough to you guys to start your programming with. But going ahead with AWS, but going ahead, even if you want to be more proficient enough in this, pursue AWS as a a job role, a skill set. Then we are also going to introduce you AWS program in advance. Okay, advanced skill set in AWS, which will cover end to end everything, many more other stuff also. This is the only 20%, 80% more will be covered up in the advanced section. So please be a part of this, at least this thing, so you will understand, yes, we should get into this, yes or no. Okay, so it is good to have this knowledge. We will make sure that you are building these assignments, projects, and submitting and getting certified end of the day. So that's what it is, guys. And you will be meeting your instructor, and that whole classes will happen on YouTube. So just go ahead and what we say, fill up this form first, and secondly, you can actually go ahead and subscribe to YouTube, that Let's Upgrade's YouTube channel. So that's where your classes are gonna happen. Just go and subscribe to your YouTube ASAP. Okay, and yes, we are also gonna send you the AWS introduction from Vinoline ma'am on your what we say, on your this emails and all. So you can actually go and see the 10 minutes videos of Miss Vinoline ma'am. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.